Hello students. Okay, I hope all are good, isn't it? So as I told you in the last class, today I am going to deal with 1 marks question and answers. So ನಾನು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು 1 marks question and answersನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. So first I would like to give you the question and answers of the first chapter. So ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, so the gentleman of the jungle. So I will give you that question and answers here. The gentleman of the jungle. Okay. So in the textbook you have 11 questions, right? Yes. Before that I want you to have a pen and a notebook, okay, and as well as textbook. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕು, ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ಕು ಮತ್ತು ಪೆನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಯು. Okay, I am not supposed to write here on the board. I am going to dictate you the question and answers. You are supposed to write. So please bring your notebook as well as pen as soon as possible, and have the textbook also. Textbook nu ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ, because reference ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Okay, I hope you all are ready with a pen and a notebook. I hope so. Yes students. Yes, I would like to read up the questions now. So what is the first question here? What favor did the elephant, what favor did the elephant ask the man on a rainy day? Okay, this is your first question in the textbook. So they may ask you the same question in different way. Exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಥರದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವೋ? Yes, I hope so. You all have understood what I said now. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ನ ಓದಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಾವು ಬಿಲೋ ದಟ್. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವು. ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ request, what was the request of the elephant to his friend? Okay, this is another question. So the answer is, I am going to narrate you the answer now. Okay, the elephant asked the man, asked the man, M-A-N, okay, M-A-N, man. Okay, man means only singular ಗೆ ನಾವು M-A-N ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಮೆನ್ ಈ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್, ಬಹುವಚನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. M-A-N ಅಂದರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ M-A-N ನಾವು. The elephant asked the man if the man would, W-O-U-L-D, would, okay, would let L-E-T, let the elephant to T-O-2, okay, to put his trunk means sondil, okay, trunk inside the hut to TO2 protect from the torrential rain, or you can write heavy rain also. Okay, torrential is the standard form of saying heavy rain. Okay, torrential andre heavy rain anta ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದರ ಬದಲು torrential ಅಂತ ಜರ್ಜರಿತವಾದ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ torrential rain. Okay, you can look that word in the textbook. Okay, you can see that word. Okay, the elephant asked the man if the man would let the elephant to put his trunk inside the hut to protect from the torrential rain. Okay, this is the answer. So let's move on to the next question. According to the man, I hope all are writing. So I request our parents to please watch your children as they look into their mobile. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈಗಿನ ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಓದ್ತಾರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಐ ಆನ್ ದಮ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕಣ್ಣಿಟ್ಟಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ his hut had room only for him. Is it true or false? ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗೆ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ ಮನುಷ್ಯ? ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ. ಹಿ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ತನ್ನ ಗುಡಿಸಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಪ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ now. How did the elephant sneak into the man's hut? Okay, this is the third question. So answer is after putting putting the trunk inside the hut, comma, the elephant slowly pushed pushed his head inside and threw. Okay, threw means it is the past tense of throw. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ರೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಥ್ರೋ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ರೂ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ out of the hut. Okay, after putting the trunk inside the hut, the elephant slowly pushed his head inside and threw the man out of the hut. So you can pause the video and write it. Again you play the video and you can write it. Like this you can do. Okay, if you are a slow writer, ನೀವು ಅತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ fourth question. According to the elephant, according to the elephant, the man can offered to remain in the rain because, so the options are given there. Okay, so elephant ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನೆಯೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ delicate skin. Yes, someone is saying the answer. Yes, so which is the right option here now? So ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ right option ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? The skin of the elephant is delicate. Okay, B is the right answer. Next, fifth question. How did the lion decide to solve the problem? Okay, shall I dictate the answer now? Answer na hella iga. Yes, fifth question ige answer. So I have prepared you another question. Sorry children. So you have to write another question below that. What did the king do next to resolve the dispute dispute between what did the king do to resolve the dispute between the man and the elephant? So the answer is, shall I say, or you need some more time? Yes, the lion decided to appoint you should not say it a, okay, it is pronounced as a commission of inquiry to solve the problem of the man. Solve the problem of the man. Okay, let's move on to the sixth question now. What kind of judgment did the what kind of judgment did the man expect? Okay, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಅವನು ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಮನುಷ್ಯ? Okay, the answer is, the man thought 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 that his his hut. The man thought that his hut would be returned, would be returned to him and the justice would be done. Okay, this is the answer. I will repeat the answer now. The man thought that his hut would be returned to him and the justice would be done. So, this is the answer. So, let us move on to the 7th question, children. Why was the man unhappy with the members of the Commission of Inquiry. So, do one thing, leave a space for the question if you want. You can write it later. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೇಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗದು ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ 7th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ because there, there was no representation from his side. Because there was no representation from his side. Okay, is it over? Yes. Next, 8th question. According to the elephant, the man had invited him into the hut. So the options are given there. Okay, 4 options are there. Which one is right? So 4 options ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾವುದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ದ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ನರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಸುಳ್ಳು ಕಥೆನ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, what is the false story? Yes, I hope you all know that, isn't it? So which is the correct answer then? Choose it fast. To save the hut from the hurricane. So C is the correct option. Okay, put a tick mark over there. Next, 9th question. In whose favor was the judgment given? Okay, ಯಾರ ಪರವಾಗಿ? Whose favor means in whose favor did the judgment given. So in whose favor? In favor of the, answer is in favor of the elephant. The judgment was given. So write down, in favor of the in favor of the elephant, the judgment was given. Okay, is it finished? Yes. Next, 10th question. Why did the man accept the suggestion, why did the man accept the suggestion of building a new hut? So the answer is, sorry, another question is there. What fear made the man accept the judgment of the commission? So what fear made the man accept the judgment of the commission? Okay, the answer is, the man had no alternative, no okay, no alternative, comma, because he was afraid that his refusal to okay, to build build another hut, would expose him to the teeth and claws, claws of members of commission. The man had no alternative because he was afraid that his refusal to build another hut would expose him to the teeth and claws of the members of commission. Okay, this is the answer for 10th question. Let's move on to the 11th question. How did the man buy peace finally? Okay. So shall I dictate the answer now? Shall I say the answer? Yes. The man built, built a big hut to accommodate accommodate, accommodate, shall I write it? Okay. To accommodate all the animals, comma, he burnt, B-U-R-N-T, burnt the hut with, burnt the hut with all the lords of the jungle, lords, L-O-R-D-S, lords of the jungle, while W-H-I-L-E, while they were fighting for the possession, P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-O-N, possession of the hut, Okay. So, now the textbook question and answers are over. So, the textbook alli iddanta 1 marks question and answers ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, I have taken up the 1 marks question and answers from your previous examinations, from your previous exams. ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ನಡೆದಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 1 marks question answers ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ I have made a list of that. So, you have to write that questions also, extra questions means ಏನು ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, I have not written it simply. So, from your examination point of view, ನಿಮ್ಮ examination point of view ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ questions ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So, they have asked you these questions itself. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದೀಸ್ 11 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಈ 11 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ 1 marks ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂದ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಇಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದು ನಿಮಗೆ 1 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೋ ಅವನ್ನ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದಟ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ 11 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಓವರ್, isn't it? Put at 12 and continue it. So first, who is the author who is the author of the passage, put inverted comma like this. Okay, like this, put inverted comma. Who is the author of the passage The Gentleman of the Jungle? In the inverted comma you have to write The Gentleman of the Jungle. So they have given you the options. So how many options? 3 options they have given you. First option is Nelson Mandela. Okay, I will write it. First option is Nelson Mandela. Second option is Jomo Kenyatta. Okay. Third options Julius Nyerere. Okay. So these are the 3 options they have given you. These are okay, double R here, Julius Nyerere. So which is the right option here? Yes, Jomo Kenyatta is the right answer. So you have to write these 3 options also. ಓಕೆ, ಈ 3 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪುಟ್ ಎ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಓವರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎನಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ನೆಲ್ಸನ್ ಮಂಡೇಲಾ, ಜೋಮೋ ಕಿನ್ಯಾತಾ, ಜೂಲಿಯಸ್ ನವಿಯೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Where was the man's MAN apostrophe S man's hut located in the gentleman of the jungle. So where was the man's hut located in the gentleman of the jungle? So that is the question. The answer is yes, the man's hut was located at the edge of the forest. Okay, simple answer, isn't it? Yes, the man's hut was located at the edge of the forest. Okay, then so is it, have you finished that second question and answer? Yes, let's move on to the third question now. What did the lion wish to wish to have in his kingdom? Okay, what did the lion wish to have in his kingdom? Okay, the answer is yes, somebody is saying the answer. I can guess, isn't it? Yes, that is the answer, children. The lion wanted to have wanted to have peace. So some of you now they are recalling, isn't it? Yes, peace and tranquility in his kingdom. So the lion wanted to have peace and tranquility in his kingdom. Is it clear? Yes. So these are the important questions. Please don't ignore that. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. Who commanded commanded his ministers to appoint a commission of enquiry. Okay, who commanded his ministers to appoint a commission of enquiry? Yes, the answer is the lion commanded his ministers to to appoint a commission of enquiry. Okay. Next question. Name any 4 members. Name any 4 members of the commission of enquiry. Mr. So the answer is Mr. Rhinoceros. So if you are having confusion with the spellings, you can look into the textbooks. So textbooks alli ide alla makkale avune nodi ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. You can write it by copying it, isn't it? It is there in the textbook, page number 3. Okay, 3 alli ide, page number 3 alli what are the members they have selected anta. Mr. Rhinoceros, Mr. Buffalo, Mr. Alligator, last Mr. Leopard. Okay, Mr. Leopard. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Who was the secretary of the commission of enquiry? Who was the secretary of the commission of enquiry? Okay, the answer is Mr. Leopard. Was the secretary Mr. Leopard was the secretary of the commission of enquiry. Okay, let's move on to the next. Who was appointed as the chairperson of the commission of enquiry? Who was appointed as the chairperson of the commission of enquiry? Yes, who is that? Yes, you are exactly right, children. Mr. Fox. Answer is Mr. Fox was appointed as the chairperson of the Gentlemen of the Jungle. sorry, Mr. Fox was appointed as the chairperson in the commission of inquiry. Okay, in the commission of inquiry. Sorry children. Yes. Next. Why did the man, next question, why did the man oppose to TO2 to have someone from his side in the inquiry commission by the members. Why did the man oppose to have someone from his side in the inquiry commissioned by the members? Okay, the answer is there was no one or none. Okay, you can write no one or none. None educated from the man's from the man's apostrophe s, okay, from the man's side to TO2 to understand the intricacy okay, intricacy of the jungle laws, jungle JUNGLE, jungle laws, LAWS. Okay, next question. What did the elephant wish to TO2 to protect from the, what did the elephant wish to protect from the hailstorm? Okay, the answer is the elephant wished WISHED, wished to TO2 to protect the man's hut. Okay, so next, the elephant, next question, the elephant wanted to TO2 to put the elephant wanted to put a dash there, okay, after that put the dash space dash ಆದಮೇಲೆ space in the man's hut to a more economic use. So you are supposed to write unoccupied. Okay, blank ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ unoccupied ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. Unoccupied is the answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What was the next question? What was the reaction of the commission of inquiry so put it in the inverted comma. Sorry, the commission of inquiry anta idella, adu inverted comma dalli baribeku. The commission of inquiry when the man began to give his own account on the dispute. The question is very large but answer is very short. Okay, question tumba doddide. Okay, yes, they, answer is they means the commission of inquiry members. They, or you can write it the commission of inquiry members cut him short while while he was ready